Everything. Damn. Like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed.
Welcome back to Art by Monet. So today I'm gonna do just like a little get to know Monet questionnaire. So I've asked people over the years multiple times, like if they had any questions that they wanted to ask, or if there was anything about Monet that people wanted to know. But since I'm now really trying to dedicate myself to my YouTube journey, I thought that what better time to make a video asking questions or answering questions that people have had or that have asked, etc. A, B, C, and D. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. First question is, what made you become a makeup artist? I get this question all the time, guys. So people are always asking me like, oh, why are you a makeup artist? When did you become a makeup artist? What made you become a makeup artist? Blah, right? So I've been doing makeup now for 9 years now. Going 10 years. I've been doing makeup since 2011, since I graduated high school. Ever since like I was the summer like before college, I started doing makeup. So the funny thing is, I was dating this girl. Before I answer that question, yes, guys, I like the ladies. Okay, I am definitely a lesbian. I'm not in nobody's closet, under the bed, nowhere like that. I'm full blown out there, okay? So, secondly, yeah. So, I was dating this girl at the time, and she was cheating on me with a makeup artist, y'all. And I'll never forget this. Like, she was texting the girl, like, all this type of stuff. I found out, and I was like, oh, you like her because she know how to do her eyebrows? Like, because she got good brows? I can do that. I can draw my brows on, or I can't, but I can figure it out. And so that's what I did, y'all. Like, I started watching like all these YouTube tutorials on how to do my makeup, how to do my eyebrows, and I genuinely fell in love with doing makeup. Like, once I figured out how to do my brows, I was like, well, I'm gonna take it one notch up, or a level up. I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna learn how to do my foundation. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And so funny thing is, I ended up dropping my ex that I was dating at the time. We ended up stopped talking, and I became like the best of friends with the makeup artist that she was trying to get with. Come to find out, she wasn't trying to be with her. Anywho, that's how I ended up becoming a makeup artist. So that I don't go into that story most of the time, I just tell people like, God just gave it to me out of nowhere. You baby, what the devil means for your harm, God meant it for my good. And that's exactly what happened in this situation. What the devil meant to harm me, to allow me stressed, just all over the place in my younger years of life, the Lord meant for my good, because now look at the kid. So yeah, that's pretty much how I became a makeup artist. Started and never stopped. Next question, how old are you? I am 26, y'all. I will be 27 on June 4th. I am a Gemini. Woo! Gemini gang, period. All day, every day. So sometimes y'all may see me super duper calm on my channel, but 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna be hyped. Like, I'm super energetic, super fun. That's if I'm not doing a voiceover. This is probably going to be like my first video, like really reacting or interacting with you guys and the camera. So, because I'm shy. I'm really shy. Like, I don't talk to people unless they talk to me. And every time I film, I get so nervous. So that's normally why I always do voiceovers, because filming live, I get so nervous and I start talking so much, and I just be like, let me just do my makeup and then I'll do a voiceover later, because I don't be wanting to mess up. But now I'm realizing that like the best blessings come out of mistakes. Just saying. Anywho, yeah, so that's my age. Next question is, where do you see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years? So, you guys, someone asked me this question probably like 2 years ago, and my answer was completely different than what it's going to be now. But however, within the next 5 to 10 years, I see myself as a published author. I see myself financially stable to a point where all I'm doing is giving. Like, I'm at this place right now that I'm in right now, I'm working so that I can have the foundation to give or to build, you know, in areas where people don't have, or they are less fortunate, or even for people who just have everything they need and don't know how to use it, or don't know how to access like their true potential or their true power. You know, like, I want to be able to give not just materialistically, but wholeheartedly as a person. So within the next 5 to 10 years, that's where I see myself. I see myself being completely full of self-love, because I'm in this day and age right now. I'm working on self-love. I'm working on being more kind to myself, loving myself more so that I can be full, and everything that I give to other people, it doesn't deplenish me, but however, I give from an overflow of who I already am. So within the next 5 to 10 years, I pray, or I know I will be in a place where I am not only financially stable, I am spiritually stable, I am emotionally stable. And I mean, it gets a little rocky sometimes, but I'll be in a place that when I give and when I come into contact with other people, and when other people experience Monet, it's always me pouring into them from an overflow of what I have. So that's where I see myself in the next 5 to 10 years, just really blessing people and creating miracles for people. Like, I want to be the reason that people come up to me and be like, oh my God, she made my dreams come true. Or, oh my God, when I saw her, all I could see was God and who she was. Or, oh, when I came into contact with Monet, it was a spirit like none other. Like, those are my goals. You know, I can't say that, oh, in the next 5 to 10 years, I'll be living in a large mansion with 17, like, no, like, of course, everybody wants a luxury lifestyle, or at least, like, most people, some people want a luxury lifestyle. And I'm not going to say I don't, baby, because I can't wait to get the blood on my feet. You feel me? But no, those aren't my goals. My goals are to change people, show people love, and just bond. I want to bond with people. I really, really want to bond with people, and I want to be the reason that people see light. So, that's where I see myself within the next 5 to 10 years, is shedding light in dark spaces. Next question, guys. Next question. Let's see. Who is my favorite client? I don't have a favorite client, but what I will say is, like, my favorite type of client. What my favorite type of client is the one that makes me forget that what I do is a career or it's a job. Those clients. So I love doing makeup. Don't get me wrong, but it's some days I have clients and I'm like, oh, I wish I wasn't a makeup artist. I wish this was not my job, you know? And I don't know if you guys have ever heard the saying, if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. Some people make me feel like I'm working. I have those clients that when I'm around them and we working, we can be on set for 12 to 15 hours, but the energy is so sweet. The vibes are so positive. Like, the aura in the room is just so beautiful that I forget that I'm at work. Like, I forget that I'm working. Most projects that I'm on, it's literally just fun. Like, yeah, I'm working. I can be doing 17 faces. But if I'm enjoying myself, if I'm allowed to have artistic freedom, or if it's something that I've never experienced before, like, that doesn't make me feel like I'm at work. Like, it's bomb. Like, it's fun. So those will probably be like my favorite clients. Also, like, the clients that I have where the experience is so gratifying. Is that a word? Yeah, gratifying. That the experience is so gratifying that I don't want to be paid. Oh, baby, that just made me want to dance, baby. Let me tell you something about them clients right there. The clients that I can walk into their room, or I can come in their space, and by the time I leave, I'm so full from the experience that I've had with them that I don't want to be paid. Oh, it beats the feeling of, like, not feeling like I'm working. What platform do you use most to gain your clientele? The platform of word of mouth. Boom. But before, what I will say is before word of mouth, I was social media, like, of course. And as far as like a specific platform, Instagram, I use Instagram the most, just because at some point I fell out of tune with Facebook. And by the time I was like, oh, let me go back and start using Facebook, it was too complicated. So anything that doesn't automatically post from like my Instagram to my Facebook, trust me, I'm not doing nothing extra on Facebook trying to do it. Even though, you know, Instagram and Facebook are by the same people, I just don't really post as much on Facebook as I should. But majority of my clientele comes from like my Instagram page. But once I got my Instagram page to like a certain space and I became the makeup artist for like so many different people, word of mouth became my best friend, because now it's more so of, oh, I saw you did such and so, or oh, such and so told me that you were her makeup artist now, or da 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 da, like I'm here in town, or I want to try you out, or hey Mo, you know, I got a friend coming from here, like blah, blah, blah. Most of the time it's word of mouth. So the platform of word of mouth, it will become your best friend, but you have to build up your social media first, because one thing about word of mouth is when people tell, so like if one of my clients tells one of their friends about me, please believe that they're sending them my social media so that they can still go check me out. People want to see your work. So definitely Instagram. TikTok is becoming my new friend. So I make buku makeover videos on TikTok. And it drives the traffic to all of my other platforms. So TikTok, you can link it to your Instagram, you can link it to your Twitter, you can link it to your Facebook, you can link it to your YouTube. So that's typically how I try to drive the traffic from my TikTok to my Instagram and from my Instagram to my YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty much how I gain my clientele via a platform. Plan on offering on your YouTube channel. So with Art by Monet, I don't want to always just give you guys makeup videos. I named myself Art by Monet for a reason, because I'm not solely makeup. Everything that I do has to do with art. I can't wait to get more acquainted with you guys. If you guys have any questions for me that I haven't answered thus far, please feel free to drop those questions down below in the comment section. Make sure that you share, like, subscribe, and share, like, subscribe. What else you supposed to do? Share the video, like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's something else I'm missing. But follow me on all of my social media websites. I'll make sure to drop those in the link below. You guys, check out some of my other videos. I have a flawless foundation routine. I have a Black Girls Wear Blue eyeshadow routine. I have washing my beauty blenders. I have a video that I'm going to upload using my skincare routine. Everything like that. So any of my previous videos, you guys just go ahead and check them out. I'm going to have them listed in the link down below. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you later.